Hello children. What did we study? Where were we? We had studied alphabet I. And how does the baby I cry? When baby I cries, what sound does it make? E, E, right? Now, your ma'am forgot. Which alphabet comes after I? कौन सा आता है I के बाद? Can you help your ma'am? Let me think. Answer me loudly. Yes, thank you children. I के बाद आता है J. Which is the next alphabet after I? J. Very good for helping your ma'am. You all are such lovely children and so smart. Now, this is your Mama J. This is your Baby J. Capital J, small j. Acha, now how does this J make sound? J, J. Okay. J, J. And now, will you sing along with me the favorite rhyme of baby J? J. Let us begin. Alright. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? J. You know, children, with letter J, you can find lots of items in the kitchen which starts with letter J. Acha, now I just said a rhyme which this baby J likes. उसमें क्या था? It was jelly and jam. And jelly and jam jiggling on the plate. Jiggle कर रहे थे. Show me how do you jiggle? Jiggle yourself. Jiggle. Jelly, Mama prepared some jelly and jam and kept it on a plate. And then it was jiggling like this. Okay. So jelly and jam से क्या याद आता है? J से yummy. Jelly and jam, my favorite jam. Children, do you eat jam? Yummy. Also, what else do you find in kitchen that starts with the letter J? J से आता है juice. Yummy. And where do you store the jam or the pickles? In a jar. In a jar. Okay. And the last one. How do you pour the juice? You pour it from a jug. How do you pour? You pour the juice out of a jug. Easy? Alright. See you next time. Bye.